This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Nissan Altima out of lock mode easy guide. Start by confirming the key fob battery, then unlock the driver door manually if needed. With the fob inside, press the brake and press the start button or turn the key to on. If the dash still shows lock, hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob together for several seconds to reset the system and retry starting the car. If your key fob still fails, try a spare fob first to confirm the issue is not the car. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 5 minutes, then reconnect to allow the vehicle computers to reset. Inspect the fuse box for any blown fuses tied to central locking and replace as needed. If the locks remain in lock mode after these steps, the problem may need dealer or qualified technician diagnostic attention to avoid further damage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It pairs well with a fresh interior after you regain access. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If basic troubleshooting does not free the lock mode, consider professional help to avoid further frustration. Call a locksmith when the mechanical key refuses to turn or when door hardware seems jammed. Use roadside assistance if you are stranded and cannot access or start the vehicle safely. For persistent immobilizer or module errors after resets, book dealer or certified service to run advanced diagnostics and replace faulty modules if necessary for a reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.